Good day everyone, especially to user A. I am Kaithleen A. Plata, presenting and explaining the circuit diagram titled Arduino-Based Earthquake Detection and Alarm System with Seismograph output. And we are using Tinkercad for this circuit diagram. As you can see, we are going to use a breadboard and Arduino UNO, and now we're going to add a piezo, but in real life we just call this a buzzer, but in here in Tinkercad we're going to call it a piezo. And now we're going to add a LED. Actually, we are using 3 LEDs for the yellow one, orange one, and the red one. And fun facts about LED, it has two sides. It has a cathode in the left side and the right side, call it anode. So now we're going to change the middle one, the LED one, to orange one, and then the first LED that we put is we're going to change it into yellow one because we need a tricolor to use it for the detection to be alert for this project. And now we're putting a resistor on the cathode side of the LED. Actually, we need a 3 resistor for the 3 LEDs. But now we're adjusting the LEDs to be in the right section on the breadboard. We are also adjusting the resistor to be on the other side of the breadboard for them to connect in the other side. And we're done putting resistor, we're going to put a tilt sensor, the alternative that we're going to use because we don't have a vibration sensor here in Tinkercad. Actually, we need a vibration sensor, but we think about that to have a alternative instead of staying in that materials that Tinkercad doesn't have. Same as the LED, the tilt sensor have a 2 side. It has a terminal 1, the left side, and the terminal 2 in the right side. As you can see, we are putting a wire on it on the red LED on the part of the anode, and we put the wire on the pin 4 or the D4. So we're going to bend it to be pleasant to someone's eyes that we will watch or see this video. Same as what I did in the first LED, we're going to put it on the anode part and we're going to put it on the pin 3 or D3. But as a person, I have making a mistake because it should be on the pin 2 or the D2, while the yellow LED should be on the D3. But we will fix that later. But for now, we're going to change the color into orange one because it is a orange LED, and the red LED will have a red wire. So as this moment, I am realizing that I have making mistake because of what I said earlier. It is just I did something wrong about putting a wire on it. It should be on the V2, and the yellow LED should be on the D3. And now I am correcting the wires to be on the right position on the wirings. Kasi it is said in the code that it should be there, so we have to follow that code. And now let's proceed into tilt sensor. We're going to put a wire on the terminal 2 dedicating into pin 8 or D8. And now we're going to turn it into blue one because I decided that it is beautiful if it is blue. And we're going to use the yellow one and the yellow LED to have the exact color on the LED. And we're going to put the wire on the terminal 1 and connect it into positive 1. And we will turn it into red 1 because it is connected in V volt. So it is right that we will use the red one. And now we're putting on the side of the resistor that I'm talking about earlier that we will connect it into the negative 1. We will change it into color black because it is negative and it is connected in GND. Same what I did in the resistor, we're going to put the negative part of piezo in the negative 1 or in the GND and the positive 1 into or in the B5 or pin 5. And we will turn it into green 1 because it is pretty. Before we change the color, we will clean up the wire in the piezo so it is not messy. And we're done. And we also turned the wire into green one and look, it is pretty, right? Next one, we're going to put a wire on the GND part and connect it in the negative one and change it into color black. And we're also putting a wire on the B volt or the V5 and connect it into positive 1, and we also turned it into red 1, and now we're fixing it to be pleasant. And now that we're done in wiring, we're going to proceed in coding. So we're going to delete that one and paste the code that we get or I get in ChatGPT. As I read the description on this requirement 3, we are allowed to use ChatGPT for this code, to get this code. And now that we're done, we're going to try it if it's working or not. As we can see, the piezo is working and the LEDs are working also. Before we try it again, I will explain what is the 3 LEDs all about. The yellow LED is the mild one, while the orange LED is the moderate one, and the red LED is the strong one. It is based on what tilt sensor detects, and the buzzer will buzz while the lights will turn on what mode the earthquake was or is. Now let's try it for the second time. And we're done with the circuit diagram. And now I'm going to explain the code. we can see that tilt sensor is connected to pin 8 while the yellow one is connected into pin 3 while the orange one is connected to pin 2 while the red one is connected into 4. The buzzer is connected into 5. As we can see that all of the wire is connected here in code.